This is the Jorvik Trike and me at Colwyn Bay on the North Wales Cymru coast. And this is a perfect cycle lane. They have the EU funded so many cycle paths and walking paths here. It's wonderful. So I've just got it out of my Kangoo, which is a fantastic spacious car. This is me, Noel Obkas, Nana Obkas Kaichi, otherwise known as Noel Obkaskas. Depends which way we go, call ourselves names. And that is Eeyore. Now, I went to Mould. I went wrong at coming out of Mould and I ended up in Denbigh, which has a fabulous castle at the top. Anyway, this I got in Mould charity shops. I've got two, one deeper. It's very old fashioned. Well, you know, this is rubbish, isn't it? I mean, you know, no one can hear that. So, anyway, this is Peppa Pig, Viva the Animal Sanctuary, British Protection. The best people in Britain are actually not the RSPCA, but Viva, and that's one of their tote bags. Now, to get this going, you simply, because it's fully charged, I actually charged it, you simply put the key in one of these. Oh yeah, one of them is there. Yeah, there we go. That's it. On. Then you press on, and you can see it's fully charged, and you've got 3 speeds. Oh, right. Well, let's go on the slowest. Right. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what it's like. The beauty of a Jorvik electric assisted. It's not the, you know, it's not like a motorbike. You don't. Anyway, so I have a retroviseur. What's the word? Anyway, mirror in front. I don't know all the technical words. Right. I'm now on it. Yes. Sat on it. Yes. And we're ready to go on the lower speed. There we go. Oh, the breeze. We're in the heat, you know. It's what's wonderful about cycling is you get a nice breeze, keeps you cool. I've put a bottle of water in the back pannier. It's so quiet. Right, anybody around? Okay, I'll need to tighten that up after, but you know, let's not. Oh, that's the little one. Beep, beep. Toad of Toad, all is here. I love that camper van. If only there was 2 of me. You know, it's a bit difficult. Okay, Eeyore. Beep, beep. Oh, yep, right. Well, there's nobody to beep. Ah! Yes, well, I was in Mould. Oh, lovely little town. It was market day, Wednesday. And that west there, the bank is closing, like most banks, in a few months. So, you know, it's terrible. I mislaid my bank card, so I had to order another one. But I did that on the app anyway, but I wanted cash, you know. Anyway, whatever. I can never figure out if I'm in credit or... It depends on whose opinion. Anyway, let's not bother about who's in credit and who is in debit. It's too confusing for an accountant like me now. I forgot about all those horrid things. Oh, it's just wonderful. If I go faster, watch what happens. Oh, it takes off. Well, you know, this is a perfect cycle. Yes, I mean, you know, Wales voting against Brexit was like turkeys voting for Christmas. Oh, I've got one hand on the camera, so I can't beep. Right, there we go. Electric assisted. Right, that's on the top speed. Well, you can change the gears as well. Isn't it splendid? This is the life. Oh yes. Oh, let's just slow it down. Because if you put it on a lower, it ends up you use more exercise, which is what you need. If you want exercise, oh, go on, do it a bit faster. Anyway, and I've got it on the middle gears. Yes, I'm not an extremist in anything. I believe in moderation in all things. Yes, well, yeah, no. If you're not moderate, people call you bipolar nowadays. You know, any sign of excitement or sadness, and you must have some mental affliction, which they've now named bipolar. Well, she's been going for some years, that terminology. No, it's just natural human emotions. Oh, yes. Right, so I've got to the end of this. Yep, well, there's Old Colwyn, which is the town itself, and then there's this, which is, you can see the hills of Wales. I was going to go to Conwy, which is only 10 miles away from here, but I think that would be rather a lot of people in town. It's a walled city, is Conwy. Fantastic. I mean, there's Chester, there's Conwy, the two best, and then there's York. Well, you know, that parking meter didn't work. It wasn't on. Oh, yes. Well, I've done a lot of exercise now. That isn't a proper camper van. Oh, that's a bin where you can't tell the difference, can you? Parking meters, bins. Where's my car? Oh, have I passed it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, 150 metres. Oh, it tells you how far you're going. Anyway, it's going to be 30 degrees tomorrow, but they're talking maybe thunderstorms. I've got an electric assisted one. I don't know. Oh, yes. Is my car that way? Have I passed it? I can't remember where I put my car. Trouble. It's worse in car parks. No. I'm still got a bit to go. I'm okay. Oh, well, Jorvik. They're made in York. York. Spelt with a Y, not a J. But because they place... Oh, I hate motorbikes. The noise. I don't like building noise or motorbike noises. Or car noises. Any machinery noise is just horrid. Anyway, I'm sharing this. Ah, there's the parking meter, but it's all blank. Anyway, it's only about £2, but, you know, I thought is it the glare on the screen, but no, it's simply not functioning. Anyway, you can see I'm pedaling in my bought off eBay designer cotton and linen dress. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, it's so cool now. Oh, little woofer. Is that a woofer? Yes. It's too hot for you, puppy. I understand. Oh yes. Yes. Well, you don't know. This is really, you could, you know, it's like 3 lanes here, isn't it? That's a lovely camper van, I was saying, yeah. For a lifetime of safe driving. Oh, I'm filming. Oh, so you end up on YouTube. Oh, yes. Oh, here's a, oh, it's too hot for that woofer's paws. Ma, you need socks on, woofer. Yeah, dear. Oh, poor woofy. I mean, I'm cool. Oh, watch his feet. Oh, there's my car. Yeah. Anyway, that's the meter. Yeah, I'm not too good at handling this. But as you can see, you know, there's nothing going. So you can't pay the whatever. Anyway, I mean, that's so small print. I mean, you know, you need a binocular. Oh, yes?
So sorry to just talk over you.
It's all right.
Where did you get your bicycle from?
Well, I bought it second hand. But you can
love it.
It's fantastic.
Love your
oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
You don't mind being on video because it's YouTube today.
Hello.
But no, it's Jorvik, which they're made in England. They cost a few grand new.
Oh,
but I bought mine second hand, so
yeah.
You get it half price.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're still expensive.
It's beautiful.
But and I had the woman I bought it from in Clitheroe, which is in up in the Ribble Valley.
Yeah.
She had the puncture-proof tyres put on. That's really useful.
Yeah.
So, I mean, isn't it fantastic? Would you like a ride?
No.
Go on.
No, the doctor told me I've got sciatica, so
Oh,
I'm a bit
right.
like,
Otherwise, since you
I'd
admired
have
it. Yeah, well, I wasn't
Is it
sure.
one of those electric?
Yes, so yeah, basically you just turn the key and you can choose. You can go fast or medium or slow. No, you're on YouTube. It's good for the YouTube. I'm doing the promotion. They think I've got. So I just added a few things like that.
Yeah.
And then.
Wow.
Well, this is rubbish, isn't it? You know,
yes,
no
that's
one's
amazing.
That's amazing. I bought it in a charity shop in Mould. Lovely place.
Oh yeah.
It's these are antiques. that one's even loud. But I need to put
A thingy on it.
But there's no one to hoot.
There will be. There will
But
be.
isn't
You
it?
look fantastic as well.
Well, I've got to lose weight. Do you know what? I put a load of weight on since December, and I've lost a stone in a month. So
Good girl.
it's called fasting. Yeah.
Oh, I can't
So
do that.
intermittent fasting is.
Oh.
But it's like cigarettes. I'm actually good for that. I do smoke, but my vape's out of battery,
Right.
and I don't have
It's not bothering you.
It doesn't bother me.
Brilliant.
No, I am lucky like that. You know, if it's last thing at night, I get pissed off.
Yes.
Yeah. So I do
bet.
give up smoking every now and then, but but anyway, look, isn't that?
It's fantastic. I'm so sorry to have just.
No, don't
I
apologise.
think
I
that
thank
lady
you.
looks
You look.
beautiful.
You.
It
I
looks
love the green.
gorgeous.
I love olive
Thank
green.
you.
Yeah.
I've lost weight. I was 15 stone in April.
Oh, you're
And-
like me then.
And
Yes.
I've lost. I'm nearly 11 stone now.
Well done. And
the
you,
doctor
yes.
put me on these All-Estat tablets.
Oh.
I lost a stone and a half though.
Really?
I-
What were they called?
All-Estat.
I'd never heard of it. Oh,
But they're all.
Ozempic I've heard of.
Yeah, well, I'm on
whatever.
Manjaro at the moment.
Oh, Manjaro, I've heard of that.
Yes, I started it 5 weeks ago.
That's a synthetic medication,
But it's
isn't
the
it?
you jab yourself.
Ah, you jab it yourself.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
But anyway, yeah, well, no, I'm on starvation. I call it starvation. It's intermittent.
Bless you.
But it's all right. I have the odd curry. Do you know how I
The
put
odd
it on?
curry.
I ate 3 curries a day while in June. Do you remember the weather was awful?
Yes.
Dark. And I
It's
sat
horrible,
indoors
isn't it?
watching and reading. I wasn't bored, but I wasn't going out.
Yeah.
But I was eating 3 curries a day. Then I looked on the packet and everything, and it's like hundreds of
Yeah, you don't think, do you?
You don't
You
think.
don't.
all that
You
rice
just
and all
eat.
that.
And the sauce.
So anyway, when I had a shock, I put my videos of on YouTube in my, underpants and everything. Oh yes,
Sure,
I'll
great.
give you my name
I
now.
was going to say, what's your name?
You must. I'm going to turn this off because we've done enough.